Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Going to see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today before some low-level cloud cover builds in for the late evening into the overnight hours, and even a slight chance of a brief light rain shower or sprinkle during the overnight hours before we get some unsettled conditions in here for Friday afternoon through Saturday. Looking at our upper level sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 9,600 feet. Winds are out of the north around 20 to 25 knots, 1,000 to 3,000 feet. Then we turn northwesterly to westerly. Above that, throughout the column, we're seeing winds increasing up to 45 knots at 20,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure over the eastern portion of the United States. We'll be sliding off the New England coastline today, giving us more of a easterly to northeasterly flow this afternoon. That should allow for our temperatures to rise into the lower 40s. And we'll see the area of high pressure continue to move off the coast, and we'll have a weak warm front or weak boundary move through the region tonight that allow for our temperatures to really warm overnight into the lower 40s, possibly the mid 40s. Now set the stage for a more seasonable day tomorrow in the mid 50s. Looking at our current satellite imagery over the Wallops region this morning, you can see we have some low-level cloud cover off the coast, and once those winds do shift more easterly to northeasterly during the afternoon hours, we should see that low-level cloud cover off the water come in to the Wallops region. We have some upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region this morning. That's going to continue to stream from the west to the east over the area today. Looking at the NAM model for the next few days, this is for our Thursday morning. Moving on into our Thursday afternoon, see that high pressure move off the coast, and then tonight we have a chance of or a slight chance, I should say, some light rain showers. And then for our Friday afternoon, we'll see those rain showers really build into the area, giving us a likely scenario of some rain tomorrow afternoon. That'll continue through the overnight hours, especially the early overnight hours of Friday into Saturday. And Saturday, we'll see an area of low pressure develop west of the region, moving northeastward over the northeast portion of the United States. That'll provide us with a additional chance of showers and possibly even a thunderstorm for late Saturday morning into early Saturday afternoon. And move into Sunday, we'll see drying conditions across the area, tighter pressure gradient over the Wallops region. That should provide us with some windy conditions on Sunday, or breezy conditions. And we'll see a colder air mass build in for Sunday afternoon. So have a roller coaster of temperatures after we have some warmer weather on Saturday. Here's our Friday precipitation and mean sea level pressure from the European model. You can see that rain shower activity moving towards the area for Friday afternoon and especially early overnight Friday. Here's Saturday morning. You can see this area low pressure, a broad area low pressure developing over the northeastern United States. That should provide us with chances of some showers and even a thunderstorm, as I mentioned, on Saturday in the late morning, early afternoon hours. Then Sunday, we'll see that area high pressure build in from the west on the European model here, giving us some breezy conditions, cooler weather. And then for Monday, we'll have a system trying to move some precipitation towards the region Monday morning. Could give us some rain showers. The European model has been the coldest of the models, showing possibility of a brief period of snowfall across the central and northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula on Monday. Right now, being several days out, going to continue to monitor the situation on Monday, but most likely the system will be a little bit warmer than the European model is showing, and probably won't see any snowfall. If we do, it'll just be a few flurries before it quickly changes to rainfall. And then on Tuesday, we'll have a area low pressure moving through the region. That'll provide us with a good chance of some rainfall for our Monday night into Tuesday. And then looks like this run of the Europeans a little bit quick with the front moving through on Tuesday. Should see some rainfall for Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high of 41 degrees, winds turning northeasterly 8 to 13 knots and gusting to 18 knots. This afternoon, we'll see temperatures falling into the mid-30s for this evening and then rising overnight into the 40s and 51 degrees by Friday at 8 local, the northeasterly wind at 7 to 12 knots. We'll also have that slight chance of rain shower drizzle. Looks like about 15% chance, as the models typically estimate how much moisture gets in the region with that warm front moving into the area. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll have VFR conditions today. A chance we go broken at 3,000 feet after 1,400 local, but overall should just remain VFR until Friday at 4 local. We'll see those broken skies at 2,500 feet. It's a chance we have ceilings down to 1,000 feet with any rain showers. And by tomorrow morning, 8 local, we'll see a broken deck at 2,000 feet chance, or a slight chance we have overcast deck at 1,000 feet with a rain shower in the area. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday through Saturday, Friday will be overcast with rain showers likely during the late afternoon and evening, high of 56 degrees. Looks like we'll have about a 70% chance of rainfall during the late afternoon hours into the evening hours, and a yellow for our ceilings, so anywhere from about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet. Friday night we'll have overcast skies, rain likely during the early overnight hours. Then a chance of some rain showers and drizzle. Be mild and breezy, a low 55 degrees. A red for our rain, orange for our ceilings, and a yellow for our winds, as we'll have a stronger southerly wind with that warm front moving north of the region, especially late in the overnight hours on Friday. And then Saturday we'll have cloudy skies, a chance of a shower, and a thunderstorm during the morning into the early afternoon hours, then mostly cloudy to overcast and a slight chance of an isolated rain shower for the remainder of the day. We'll have breezy and mild conditions, a high of 61 degrees, an orange for our precipitation as well as ceilings, and then we'll have about a 25% chance of seeing that lightning within 10 nautical miles on Saturday. We'll also see those winds near 25 knots. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have a roller coaster of temperatures, so 41 degrees today, warming in the mid-50s tomorrow at 56 with a rainfall, and then seeing 61 degrees on Saturday. Right now, Saturday's high temperature is still a little bit tricky, as the low-level cloud cover could keep us in the 50s, but right now with that stronger southwesterly, this southerly wind, we should see those temperatures climb into the low 60s. Sunday and Monday, we'll see temperatures cool just a bit into the lower 50s, seasonable on Sunday, partly cloudy and breezy. And then Monday, we'll see that area of high pressure near the region that should provide us with some cooler conditions, a high of 47 degrees during the evening with daytime temperatures in the lower 40s, a 40% chance of those afternoon rain showers. And then Tuesday, we'll have that area low pressure moving just north and west of the region. That should allow us to get in the warm sector with stronger or breezy southerly flow, a high of 64 degrees, rain likely, 80% chance of rain. And then Wednesday looks like we do change the pattern with area of Arctic high pressure building in once again with a high only in the lower 40s, possibly only seeing the upper 30s for Wednesday and the middle of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.